Today, we'll show you how to create a course for your GPSMAP H1 series satellite communicator. In this video, we'll be using a GPSMAP H1i Plus, but the process is similar on a GPSMAP H1 device. Creating courses allows your device to route you on a specific path. This is ideal for hiking, mountain biking, off-road driving, and similar activities. It is best to download topo-active maps in the Garmin Explore app and ensure that your inReach device is paired with the app before creating a course. For instructions, see our video on pairing a GPSMAP H1 series device to the Garmin Explore app. First, we'll create the course. Open the Garmin Explore app and select the plus icon at the bottom right of the Map tab. Then select Create Course. A short tutorial will display. Then, tap the map to create a starting point. Tap a second location on the map to create a course line. Continue adding points to the course as needed. Courses are limited to 250 points. Courses with 50 points or fewer can be recalculated during navigation. You can give a course point a name or a unique icon. To do this, tap on a point. Then select Name Point. Make your changes and select Save. To delete a course point, tap 1. Then select Delete Point. To undo any action, select the Undo icon. To move a point, press and hold 1, then drag the point to a location and release it. To alter the course, press and hold the course line. Drag it to a new position, then release. A new point will be created where you release. You can change the routing type and other settings by selecting the Routing Type icon. Toggling Direct Routing on will cause a straight line to be drawn between points. Toggling Popularity Routing on creates the course based on popular routes, streets, and trails used by other Garmin users. You can also change the routing type from this menu. Selecting a different routing type calculates the course for your chosen activity. Select the X when finished. Direct routing can be toggled on and off from the course creation page by tapping the direct routing icon. When you're done creating your course, select Save. Here, you can change the name or color of your course. Select Done when finished. The course is now ready to be synced to your GPSMAP H1 series satellite communicator. When the Garmin Explore app is opened or refreshed, it automatically syncs with paired devices that are powered on and in range. It's also possible to manually sync with the device. Tap the Devices tab. Select your GPSMAP H1i Plus, then tap the Sync icon. After syncing the course to the GPSMAP H1i Plus, select Saved from the home screen of the handheld. Select a course from the saved list. Then select Navigate. Before you begin navigating, there are several navigation options you can select. To change the activity type, select the activity name. Activity types include walking, hunting, hiking, and more. Enable the routing toggle switch to adjust the course to follow map data and recalculate as needed. Select Advanced Settings to set how the device routes from one point to the next. Select Go to have your GPSMAP H1i Plus calculate your route and display it on the map. You can navigate using either the map or the compass from the home screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, subscribe to our product support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com.